Alright guys, quick tip for you here. If you've pulled out the screws from your hinge, this works for kitchen cabinet doors, this will work for door hinges as well and door casings. If you've pulled them out, you need to get something to fill the hole, so a bit of dowel, that fits in this one nicely. You want to dry fit it to make sure, like that one at the bottom, it's a bit too tight, so we'll drill that out with a 6mm bit. You don't need to be gentle because you don't want to bust out the back. That fits in there perfectly now. It's a little bit tighter in that top one, which is good. Then you want to get yourself some screws that you know are not going to be too long to go through the material you're going into. And then you want to come in, you want to roughly mark where you want these sat. So I only need that tiny bit there. Put them down. I've just got these PVC cutters, they'll work perfectly fine. So I've got these two small pieces here, roughly the same size. Don't need to be perfectly straight. Bit of mitre bond, as always. On your dowel. Try not to get it all over yourself. Sometimes you can't help it. You can't get it in the hole, but you're risking it dribbling down that way and having too much. There we go. Bit of a spray. Use mitre bond because that sets in seconds. This should be ready to screw into there now. You don't want to go crazy with your drill, just gently get them screws in. There we go, solid. Perfect repair. That's going to be as strong as the original wood, so like and follow for more.